Hello YouTube, this is BongoBinary, and today we are going to see the way of removing a duplicate from a Python list. So let's create a list. So we see that our list contains duplicate values. We have 2, which is duplicated 2 times. We have 2 here, and we have 2 here, and then we have 3 duplicated 2 times, and 4 duplicated 2 times, and 1 duplicated 2 times, and 5 that duplicated 3 times. So the 5 is repeated 3 times, 1 is repeated 2 times, and 3 is repeated 2 times. So how to remove this duplicate from this list? It is simple. We just have to apply a set constructor, and then we pass the list as it's an argument. So numbers, we go to set and say we pass numbers. So we know that set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed and it cannot allow duplicate. So when we pass the list as an argument to the set constructor, then we are going to get a set data type which contain no duplicates. But again, the result of this is set. We can easily convert this to a list by applying a list constructor. So again, we had number, which is a list but contain duplicate, but we converted that to set by passing number as argument to the set constructor. But the output here which we're getting is a set, and then we converted it back to a list, and then we got numbers. So numbers now contain no duplicate, and we can verify that by printing them. So we are going to print numbers, and we're going to print numbers. So here is before we apply the set constructor, and here is before we apply the set constructor, and here is after applying the set constructor. So we can save it here before with duplicates, and here we can say without duplicates. Okay, so now if we run this code, we can say that with the duplicate we have 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 5 5 5, and without duplicate we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the easiest way of removing duplicate from a Python list. But if you have a list which comprises a complex object, then this method will not work, and it will be another different story, and we can see that in the upcoming video. So till next time, this is BongoBinary. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.